What if you could learn 3 times faster with no extra effort? Just one change.
Have you ever read a page and realized you didn't remember a word? Highlighting, rereading, and cramming feel productive.
Active recall is retrieving knowledge from memory without looking at notes.
Think of your brain like a muscle.
During retrieval, the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex fire together. Struggling to recall actually strengthens learning.
Testing yourself isn't just assessment.
Flashcards work, but only if you quiz yourself. Teach what you learn.
After a study session, close your book. Before a test or after reading, dump everything you know on a page.
Mix different types of problems instead of practicing the same one repeatedly.
Spaced repetition means reviewing material at increasing intervals.
Use them together. Apps like Anki and RemNote use spaced repetition with active recall built in. Just because something looks familiar doesn't mean you know it.
Passive learning feels good because it's easy.
Cramming data in without retrieval is like pouring water into a leaky bucket.
You're not just memorizing.
When you believe intelligence is expandable, your brain literally rewires faster and better.
Retrieval builds not only memory, but confidence.
Make recall a daily habit. Set up cues. After reading, before sleeping, while walking, to mentally quiz yourself.
No more rereading or copying notes.
To learn 3 times faster, you don't need more hours.
Train your mind to retrieve it.
Set up cues after reading, before sleeping, while walking, to mentally quiz yourself.
No more rereading or copying notes. If you make this one change, if you start pulling knowledge out instead of pouring it in, you'll never study the same again. Link new information to an image or story to remember it better.
Use mnemonic devices to simplify complex data.
Rephrase what you learned in your own words.
Connect new ideas to things you already know.
Use mind maps to connect concepts visually.
Focus on understanding, not just memorizing.
Get quality sleep to help your brain consolidate knowledge. Meditation can sharpen your focus for learning.
Review after short breaks to recharge your focus. Create a clean, distraction-free environment.
Reward yourself after successful recall sessions.
Embrace mistakes. They're part of learning.
Enjoy the learning process, not just the outcome. Learn with others who share your interests.
Use smart repetition, not mindless drilling.
Break down big topics into small, digestible chunks.
Attach each study session to a clear goal. Review older material weekly to reinforce memory.
Focus on active learning, not passive consumption.
Rapid learning is an art, and a trained mind creates wonders.